Hey guys, how you doing today? So I'm over here at my friend's shop again. Called me to come check out this Dodge Ram. They changed the fuel pump or something. I don't know what they did. They did a lot of work on it, and right now they cannot start it. It's a Cummins 6.7. I gotta check what's going on with the. See if the check engine light gonna show me something. Dodge Ram. Let's see what the check engine gonna show me. Okay guys, so I think I found the problem. I have the code for the EGR. EGR says it's right here, the code. EGR control position exceeded learning limit. So we pulled off the EGR off the engine. Okay. We pulled it off and it's completely clogged inside. It's really dirty. And let's see how it's gonna start. Just listen to this boy. Yo, move. So that's the problem, guys, right here. The EGR. Gotta replace the EGR on it.